What's up, everybody? This is GreyMan here. I want to say happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day to all you folks out there. I hope you guys are spending time with family and having a great, safe day and enjoying this moment with the ones closest to you. That being said, I kind of wanted to give you guys a heads up. I will not be doing the Sunday shift report today. I'm going to be extremely tied up with family, and you know, they got all kinds of stuff planned for us, and which I do appreciate that Little Miss Grey and Lady Grey put together. So we're going to be doing some fun stuff together with family, and you know, barbecuing and fireworks, and you know, absorbing the day, as I call it, this great day of our independence. But I did put a compilation for you, a little 4th of July compilation. I thought it was kind of cool. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it as well. I think maybe tomorrow I'll try. I don't know if I should do like follow in tomorrow and do 2 videos, and maybe do like Monday shift report or something like that. And the other video that I had planned, we'll play it by ear. But I want to say thank you all for, you know, watching my videos and taking the time out of your day to you know, catch Grey on the screen. Other than that, I'm not going to ramble on too much more. I will see you guys, or talk to you guys, somewhat tomorrow, and then of course Tuesday night I will be with Bear Independent on the Grey Exchange. So we'll be interviewing Bear. I think it'll be a fun interview, so hopefully a lot of you folks will join us and spread the word. You know, spread the word that me and Grey and Bear will be on the same screen Tuesday night at 9 p.m. Anyways, folks, I'm going to let you get back to your day. Hopefully you'll enjoy this little thing that I put together. Other than that, God bless. And this is GreyMan, and I'm out. And please stay safe out there.